Did Clerk of Court Hill's comments have any impact on the verdict of the jury? I find that the answer to this question is no.
The most sensational trial in South Carolina history has finally been put to bed, at least for now. Monday's dramatic ruling and rejection of Alex Murdaugh's motion for a retrial following his double murder conviction for the killing of his wife and youngest son featured a host of twists, turns, and contradictions on the stand for Clerk of Court Becky Hill.
I did not have a conversation with any juror about anything related to this case.
Was your verdict on March the 2nd, 2023 in any way influenced in any way with any communications by the Clerk of Court Becky Hill in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
And how was it influenced?
To me, it felt like she made it seem like he was already guilty.
That bombshell coming from a woman named Juror Z, though she was the only one of 12 jurors to say Hill actually influenced her vote. And even then, her sworn affidavit from August said, "I had questions about Mr. Murdaugh's guilt, but voted guilty because I felt pressured by the other jurors," making no mention of Hill, who is currently under investigation by the state for alleged interactions with the jury and using her office for personal gain.
It's possible that she may have broken jury tampering laws, but far more likely, she violated her known duty to not interfere with the deliberations of the jurors.
The proceedings also highlighted Hill's book, Behind the Doors of Justice, which also proved a tale of two stories.
How much money did you make off that book?
Roughly around $100,000.
Guilty would sell more books.
She said we might want to write a book because she needed a lake house and I needed to retire. And then further conversations, a guilty verdict would sell more books.
In the end, the judge concluding that Hill didn't change the outcome, but did cross a line.
I find that the Clerk of Court is not completely credible as a witness. Ms. Hill was attracted by the siren call of celebrity.